Chiller put service fluoride tutorial. Nice put service tutorial. First find the fluoride nozzle inside the chiller. Unscrew counterclockwise. Then use the other end to twist 2 to 3 turns of the fluoride nozzle to release the service. Keep away from the fluoride nozzle when putting in service, to avoid frostbite, after the fluoride nozzle is no longer discharging gas. Retighten the fluoride nozzle. Fluoridation tutorial. Before the start of the preparatory work, check the equipment nameplate, refrigerant model and the amount of filling. Second, the preparation of tools, electronic scales, vacuum pumps, fluoride tables, buoyant. First take out the fluoride table. Connection of fluoride nozzle and vacuum pump. Start the vacuum pump. Pumping vacuum need to start at least 30 minutes to be safe. Connect buoyancy on to turn on the buoyancy on switch. Exhaust the air from the fluoridation table. Close the exhaust port when you feel the gas rush out. Place buoyant upside down on an electronic scale when fluoridating, to observe the filling volume in real time. When the electronic scale shows that it has been filled to the specified amount, fluoridation can be completed immediately. If there are other questions, please contact our professional after-sales staff. National 24-hour service hotline 400-855-6775. Hanley Refrigeration is at your service.